Hello, Toyota. Now, in case you have this problem right here, if you put your keys in there and you start running, it's okay, everything, but sometime and you put it back to lock and try to pull the keys out and you can't, and you have to try around here a couple times, back and forth a couple times, and then you take it out. Okay, that's the problem. Is you see all this real messy right there, all this right here. Okay, this is the little rubber grommet right there. This is the new one. Okay, and also the other side here have another one too, and you have to take out the bolt here, which is holding by a 12 millimeter, and you take this out so you can replace the little bushing right there, and the bushing is go inside here towards right there, and same thing the other side, and Toyota have that. So one thing is, if you have this play, okay, the main thing is play. If your shifting is have a lot of play, so causing that your key cannot take them out. So I don't have the part number for that, but if you put into like Google search or Amazon search or eBay search for a shifting bushing, okay, it will come to this little two blue shifting. I don't have the information, the part number or any of that, but if you're looking for shifting bushing, you should be able to find this too. Okay, and that's how I got it from Amazon. I have this like for my 4runner long times ago, and I bought 4, so I used 2, and now I using this 2 for that. So after you fix that, your shifting is pretty steady, so that won't cause your key that not taking out. So some people say, well, because my lock is bad, I want to replace my lock, so which is not that. So this is, if you don't put this bushing on it, which is when you shift, it have play, so it doesn't push all the way to part. Okay, if you don't put in part all the way to part, you cannot take in your keys out. That's the problem, not your key cylinder, just the bushing right here. Okay, all right, YouTube, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye now.